How's it going, folks? Today, this is just a video on gifting plants. This is the beginning of December. I have a few plants here. Instead of going out shopping, I'm thinking, I got a ton of plants going on. I got a few varieties. I have jades, I got pothos, I got fiddly figs, I got monsteras, I got Depalia. I got a lot of plants, so I'm thinking instead of going to the mall shopping for gifts that people may or may not want, why not give them something that they can enjoy, maybe spend a little time with, and also see grow. And that's what I feel when I'm growing these plants. Now this is a smaller scale, so hopefully I can give them the same joy that the plants are giving me. So I did have a couple issues. So I'm thinking most of these people in my circle and my loved ones and my family, they don't have green thumbs. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually telling you, I have a video. This video right here is going to tell you how to take care of these plants. So this is a twofold video. Plants you're getting, I know people won't get most of them, different ones, but they're all kind of the same. They're succulents. Succulents are all the rage, and they're popular, they look good, and they're easy to take care of. All you have to do is basically water them. Matter of fact, I'll probably send you a reminder when to water them, but you just water them most likely, I would say every 2 weeks. You can call me if you know me, you got my phone number, give me a call, ask about it, ask questions, I can definitely steer you in the right direction. But what I'm gonna give away, and they'll see this probably after I give the plants away, I have a jade cutting. It's a lucky jade, so in Chinese culture it's said to bring luck on the caregiver of the jade. So I'm going to be giving away a jade plant. I have a panda leaf, a panda succulent, which I'm really on the fence about because this guy is really, I don't know, I set it in an arrangement. So I have another succulent there, and I'm definitely going to give that to a special person. You're all special to me, but just certain people, I think these plants are going to certain people I know that'll definitely take good care of them. And this one's close to my heart. So, like I said, we're going to give away the panda with the, it's like a slide of arrangement. They both need the same type of care. You're definitely going to need sun, so we're going to have to put it in a window. East-facing window where it's going to get a little bit of morning, well, actually a lot of morning sun, I would say from morning to, I would say, afternoon. But if you put it in a window, it'll adjust to your lighting. Now, the soil is great. This is premium soil. It's all natural. It has a little bit of perlite in it, but it has fast draining soil. So when you water it, you want to water it from the bottom. You want to put it in a container, which I usually do, is I have a container here. It's kind of dirty, but I would just water it. Put water in the container, maybe up to, we'll say if we have this arrangement here, I would put it up to here, the water, set the plant in the container, let it sit for a few hours until you actually see the soil start to get wet, and you can tell that the water is actually going up throughout the plant and all the soil is wet, so you're not wasting water. And also, if you're going to fill a container, what you're going to do is you're going to fill the container, leave the water overnight, put the plant in it the next day, because you want to wait 24 hours for the chlorine to get out of the water. because the chlorine will kill any type of organic life. So you want to let it sit for 24 hours. Place the plant in the water. The water level should rise where it gets almost to the top of the plant. The plant will absorb all that water. You'll see the water level rise. And like I said, once you see the water on top of the plant, and you don't have to water it on top, you're just sitting the pot in the water. So the plant will actually absorb all that water and you're good. You take it out. It's going to drip a little bit, so put it in like a saucer and you're good to go. Put it back in the windowsill. Usually do this in the morning. You always kind of want to tend to water the plants in the morning. You can go as far as misting the plants if you guys got misters, but that's for kind of advanced plant holders or gardeners, whatever you want to call them. But if you mist the plant, that helps the humidity levels. Humidity is key to some of these plants, but this is a hybrid aloe. It's not going to get that big, but I'm really having a tough time giving these plants away as I'm talking, because I'm just looking at it and I'm like, I did take care of this guy. So once again, guys, if you feel that you cannot take care of the plant, just give it back to me. No harm, no foul. I would love to take it back. But these are special plants that I have chosen to give to you. So like I said, I have a jade, I have a panda, succulent, and the aloe. Now I have more friends I want to give other plants to, but these are specifically designed for certain people. So like I said, water, let it sit overnight, 24 hours, let the chlorine go away. Put the plant in a well-lit area, in a windowsill, something like that. These planters are not that big, but if you have curtains, they may tip over, so be watchful of that. Maybe you can put some tape underneath, stick it on the windowsill, and you'll be good to go. For you folks out there watching also, what do you guys think about it? You think giving away plants is a good idea? I do care about the lives of these plants. These actually came from plants that the leaves are dropping. I was just starting off baby plants, so they've been with me for a while. So I do care greatly about these guys. But I was just thinking, how could I optimize or change the regular routine of Christmas? So I decided to do this. And like I said, these are easy plants to take care of. They look beautiful once they get bigger, and you'll constantly see them growing. And it's like the gift that really keeps on giving, because once again, plants give out oxygen, plants look great. It's just something for you to take time out your day and take care of, and just visualize the beauty that nature gives you in your house, and it also makes your house a little better. So everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my Instagram on Gerard's_horticulture_culture on Instagram. Leave comments below. Tell me what you think about the videos. I am still kind of scared about giving these plants away, because like I know certain people are finicky, they might have a busy life. So hopefully, I know once I give them, I'm actually going to talk to them and say, just fit a little bit of your time out your day. It doesn't take a lot. Just take a plant. I know it's good for you. And Merry Christmas to everyone out there in YouTube land. Have a good day and keep growing.